So in Vishnu Chakravarti's comments, he gives a very interesting elaboration of this word in the fourth line of the shloka, Tanu Britam Kilabandharatma. So Tanu Britam is translated as the Tanu means body, and Brita means living entities. So for all embodied living beings. So then he explains what the gopis mean by that. He says, you are the Supreme Soul, and you are the dearmost. And because of being the dearmost, you are one's true relative. In the scriptures it says, a wife should serve, this is very interesting, Vishnu's going to explain about, the gopis rather, Vishnu's explanation, how Tanu Britam in Sanskrit it means the for all embodied beings. It says you're the Preshta Tanu Britam. In other words, you are the dearest for all living beings. So the essence of all living beings, which maintains us, is Paramatma. So they're joined. They're saying you are that Paramatma. So they're saying the Paramatma. You're talking about serving our husbands, which means ultimately serving the Paramatma in our husbands. But since you are the personified Paramatma, we'll just serve you. That's what he's going to say. This is what the gopis are saying. They become very philosophical and very logical in their anxiety of separation. Since you are the Supreme Soul, you are the dearmost, and because of being dearmost, you are one's true relative. Scriptures say the wife should serve the Paramatma who resides in the body of the husband and others. When the Paramatma leaves, the body of the husband is taken out of the house and burned on the riverbank. Chalega, goodbye. Ram Nam Satya Hai. Krishna Nam Satya Hai. Gopal Nam Satya Hai. Therefore, by following you, who are the personal manifestation of that Paramatma, automatically we can follow the husband, our own husbands, and other relatives is automatically accomplished. These little girls, 13 or 14, are extremely astute and qualified speakers. So Krishna's yukti, and this is their prayukti, argument and counter-argument.